Good morning guys, another day in Taiwan. So it's a good afternoon. So tumigil na yung ulan finally. Today our agenda is we're heading to few temples. Depending on the weather, baka mag-hike kami. Maganda yung sinuggest ni Riley na agenda. Look at that, tire ng aking daughter. Very beautiful. And Riley will be our lead today. And look at mommy.
Shout out to Razel for my kilay. Balik mata pala.
Alright guys, join us. See ya! Heading to Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Hindi ko alam ano nakasulat dyan. It's a Saturday. Medyo busy yung MRT kanina. Daming tao sa weekend. So, we're here at Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. So, kapiraso pa lang to guys. So, punta tayo doon sa other side para makita niyo yung buo. Ay ate. Look at my beautiful daughter. OOTD lang gusto. Mami, she shoot pa rin ang video. Wow. It's a massive park guys. Ang laki. So, sabi ni ChatGPT, it serves as a memorial garden. And then meron ding theater. I think ito yung theater. The memorial hall. Ito yung entrance. And I think this is where yung kanyang statue sits. Nice. It's a good weather. Thank you Lord. Hindi po umulan today. It's not too cold. I think nasa 14-15 degrees lang yung temperature. It's a bit windy kaya medyo malamig. But not as cold as yesterday. Kahapon 12 degrees na yesterday. 12 degrees. So ngayon nasa mga 14-15 lang. It's nice. Yeah. So syempre we'll do photo ops na guys. Let's go. Ito yung National Theater. So we'll go inside and have a look anong meron sa loob. Ganda ng mga details. So parang may mga, so if you're into architecture, art, ma-appreciate niyo yung mga details. Di lang kita sa camera guys, pero yung may mga mosaic na small details pa. Inside the theater guys, may cafe and parang scenery books, library. So tahimik dito guys, kaya medyo bumubulong-bulong lang tayo. Have a look. The cafe. So prices ranging from 300 sa may mga tortilla, pasta, 300 to 1,000 pagdating sa steaks. And I'll give you a 360 view. Yeah, that's the National Theater. This is the main entry gate. And this is the concert hall. And that's the Chiang Kai-shek. Yan. Kung di pa natin napuntahan lang, we'll get up close in person then later on. Wala ka bang wala kang article about Ojo? Ay, Mao Zedong. Mao Zedong kami na Mao Zedong. Chiang Kai-shek pala to. Wala ka bang facts about him?
Alam ko lang school siya sa may Masangkay.
Sa Malate? Sa Malate ba yun?
Oo, sa Masangkay, Bambang.
Sa Bamba.
Magagaling yung mga maths.
So,
Tamad yung mga students.
dumayo siguro si Chiang Kai-shek sa Maynila. Ay, Chiang Kai-shek. Oh,
Yeah.
Chiang Kai-shek nga pala to. Di nagbabasa bago pumunta rito, guys. But, very impressive yung lugar.
They preserve nila.
Oo, napipreserve talaga. So, dapat ganito sa Pilipinas eh. Kainis. Wala tayong park na sing linis nito, sing ganda nito. Na people can visit and learn about our culture. So, tara, malapit na kami sa temple. Let's go! Getting closer. So, ilang steps to? Mga tansya ka, mga close to 100, 150 steps. Nakikita ko na yung kanyang statwa doon sa tuktok. Let's go! Yan. Wala pa dyan mga steps, guys. So, yeah. So, up close and from afar, hindi mo makikita yung mga details. So, neto. So, ang ganda actually. Come closer. I don't know what yung sun symbolizes. Wow! Looks big when you're actually here. So, kanina mukha lang siya maliit from afar. But when you're actually inside it,
It's a massive structure.
wow! Laking, I don't know, marble granite ba to? And it's a combination of, I think this is a sliding steel door. Yeah. And then, I think up is a combination of wood and steel. And this is actually Chiang Kai-shek. Everything is written in Taiwanese language. Can you translate, guys? What's written? No? Riley? No idea? Yeah. 9 tourists today, guys. Mostly Koreans are visiting Taiwan. Alright guys, wala talagang any English translation ng mga nakasulat sa walls and everything, but all good. Very impressive, and fully na preserved nila yung place. It's a nice weather. It's starting to drizzle. Medyo there's a dark clouds doon. And I would suspect in a few minutes, andito na yan. It's about 2 p.m. and hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. We had late breakfast. So, hindi kompleto ang Taiwan visit without an authentic Xiaolongbao. Alright, so we'll look for one for lunch. Let's go! Meron daw show ng mga marching soldiers. Yeah, so we'll wait.
Thank you very much. Look ahead, please. Look ahead. Thank you.
Alright guys, so that's it for the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. So, very timely yung pasyal namin. Nakita pa kami ng ceremonial march ng mga
Marching soldiers.
marching soldiers, mga guards. So, it's 2 p.m. Hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. It's time now for Ding Tai Fung. So, hindi kompleto ang Thailand visit kapag walang... Taiwan visit kapag walang Shaolong Bao. Alright guys, see you at lunch.
Bye.
Try to go inside guys. Oh wow. May post office. And then I think there's also souvenir shop. Ito yung buong scale model guys. Ganda. Hi guys, crossing the street. Nahanap namin yung Din Tai Fung na restaurant.
Minutes walk lang.
5-minute
Sabi
walk
ng aming
siguro.
navigator, right?
Senior Road guys. So busy na. Kita na guys yung Taipei 101 from afar. Finally nakita na namin yung Din Tai Fung building. So it's I think 4-story na Din Tai Fung. Seems like maraming pila sa labas. Hopefully makaupo tayo kagad guys. Very hungry. Let's go. Galing na meron silang bike lane dedicated sa sidewalk. Talagang encouraging people to commute. Guys, 3265 3209 pa lang yung tinatawag. Dahil 40 pa ang naka-line up, kaya muna tayo ng Portuguese starters. Finally, after 1.5 or so hours. Ano ba, nagpakahirap kami, meron naman sa Singapore neto guys. So we waited for more than 90 minutes siguro. Let's go! Yeah, we had wonton soup, pork chop fried rice, and then using hot Shaolong Bao, and then spinach. Vegetable dumpling. Right guys, busog-lusog na naman ng Cruz family. So ang bill ay 2656, roughly $100 in SGD. Mas mura guys comparing sa SG na umabot kami ng 100, pero 10 pieces lang Shaolong Bao. This time we ordered 20. May sobra, may veggie dumpling pa kami and may soup dumpling pa kami. So yeah, so it's langanin, early dinner na to. Then heading where next? Really? Done up? Change of plan? Alright, we'll figure it out. Let's go! Right, done with the dinner. Ang dami pa rin ng queue guys for dinner. Medyo madilim na sa labas. It's 5:30 in the afternoon, in the evening. So we'll head down to the next train station. Let's go! It's extended Christmas para kay Mami. Meron siyang donut. So the lady in front of us paid for our donut. I don't know why.
For free.
Gusto lang niya kaming ilibre. So I think she's Santa in disguise.
Simple act of kindness.
Merry Christmas to you, ate, kung sino ka man. Bye-bye.
Hindi na ba kayo? No, sila na maganda rin daw.
Heading back home. Busy Saturday evening. Wala na kasing ulan, guys. Kaya they're all out. Healthy and fruits naman daw. Try it again. Hindi masyado nakabuka eh.